Alright, so we put the color in our 2006 CP-118 Rotochopper. I'm going to give you guys a shot of the hopper in just a second. We're about at operating temperature now. Alright, there's your hopper, your infeed. You can load it with a standard skid loader. This is about, I don't know, maybe 2-3 yards of material. Alright, so we've made all the settings on our machine, the water and the color. I'm going to go ahead and get it started, and we'll make about 30 seconds of mulch for you. Powering it up. Doing about 60-65 yards an hour at this rate. It's going to depend on your input material. I'm going to go on the other side for a second. The sun's kind of bad. As you can see, it's pouring out. I'll back up for you. Pretty steady stream. Alright, I'll show you a finished product. There you go, brown mulch, colored.